With whom do you spend most of your time and what do you talk to that person? Do you really know? Hello, everyone, and welcome to SV Talk series Mindset is Everything. Today, I'm going to share with you another aspect through which we are giving input to our subconscious mind, and that is coming to us in return. So, what is that? Do you talk to yourself? You know, the most important person with whom you are spending most of your time is you. Yes, it is you only. And most of the time, you are talking to yourself. And what do we talk to ourselves? That creates our reality. We keep on talking to ourselves almost all the time, and due to that self talk, what happens is our mind get programmed, because whatever we are repeating, whatever we are continuously chattering, that comes to our subconscious mind, and that is how our mind gets programmed. That all I have already shared in my earlier videos. If you haven't watched them, go and watch them. What we talk to ourselves, what our parents are talking to us since our childhood, the neighbors, the surrounding, everyone that people say to us, we are actually talking that to ourselves again and again, and repetition of that takes it to the subconscious level, and this is how our mind is getting programmed each and every day since our childhood. And that is why what we are right now, what you are right now, is all because of that programming of your mind that has happened since your childhood. Let me share some very interesting thing today. Okay, मान लीजिए you get an international trip free of cost with your family and you are all set to go. You reach to the airport and it's now the boarding time. You're going to board the flight. While boarding, you just hear the captain and co-captain talking. Captain was saying to the co-captain that हमारे on board computer में कुछ fault आ गया है, जिसकी वजह से 70% of the process has been failed, due to which this flight is either going to be crashed or it is going to land at a wrong place. Now the question is, क्या आप अभी भी उस फ्लाइट में जाना चाहेंगे? It's a free trip, international trip, you know. But I know you won't be going. You will leave that flight immediately and you are not going to take that risk, right? क्यों नहीं जाएंगे? क्योंकि आपको पता है कि प्रोग्रामिंग गलत हो गई है and it can be dangerous for you and your family. Similarly, हमारा माइंड भी प्रोग्राम्ड है, या तो क्रैश करने के लिए या गलत जगह पर लैंड करने के लिए. Mind is like a computer whose CPU is subconscious mind, and the programming that has been done is most of the time negative. So what will happen to the life? So friends, we need to change our programming. We need to change the programming by self-talk. What we are talking to ourselves every day, we need to take care of it. And I've already shared why positivity is important. So friends, start talking positive to your own self. No one is coming to you to encourage every time. You need to encourage your own self. You cannot just wait every time for someone to come and pat your back. You need to do it on your own, just like this, and say yourself, I am proud of you every day. Pay special attention to the kids. It is really important what kids say to themselves every moment. For them, we are the examples. So what we do, they're gonna do it. So we need to talk to them positively, so then they talk to themselves in a positive way. So friends, do talk to yourself positively. Self-talk matters a lot. It creates great impact in your life. So do it and reprogram your mind for getting the success rather than crashing your life and landing at a wrong place every time. I will see you in the next video once again. Till then, stay home, stay safe, and most importantly, love yourself. Bye bye.